Hey everyone, Zach Pakoff here, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to see how well we know SML or Super Mario Logan by taking the SML Trivia Game Quiz. Before I get started, please go and subscribe to Cappy and Piraquita Show and their second channel, Cappy and Piraquita Show 2. Now, without further ado, let's get started. How well do you know SML? In this video, you will have to test your knowledge about Super Mario Logan to discover how much you know about it. But before that, please go subscribe to my new channel, Cappy and Piraquita Show 2. The link's in the description. Are you ready? Let's start. Complete the phrase, breaking news, guys, okay, or dudes. This one is B. It's okay. Yep. Next up, according to Bowser Jr., the sun is a planet, star, or galaxy. This one's A. He thinks the sun is a planet. Yep. Alright, next up, Black Yoshi's favorite video game is GTA 5, Battlefield, or Call of Duty. This one is Call of Duty. Black Yoshi loves to play Call of Duty. Yep. Next up, under his hat, Cody has another hat, long hair, or a hairless head. Under Cody's hat, he has another hat, so A. Yep, he has another hat. Next up, all of the following are SML channels except Chili, Super Luigi Logan, or Super Toad Logan. This one is Super Toad Logan, C. I know that Chili and Super Luigi Logan are channels, but Super Toad Logan is not. Okay, next up, what is the name of the SML gaming channel? SML Plays, Super Bowser Logan, or Super Playing Logan? This one is B, Super Bowser Logan. Next up, Cody loves a Barbie doll, Max Steel, or a Ken doll. This answer is C. Cody loves his Ken doll. Yep. Next up, the name of the behind-the-scenes SML channel is SML BTS, Kelly, or Chili. This answer is C, Chili, but it's now Lance 30acre. Chili used to make videos regarding to behind-the-scenes, but I don't know if she still does or not. But it is Chili. As of 2019, how old is the Super Mario Logan channel? 4 years old, 11 years old, or 9 years old? So they started back in 2007, so as of this, it's B, 11 years old. Okay, that brings us to the end of the quiz. And we ended up getting them all right. So we got a 9 out of 9, which means we are a true SML fan. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks again for watching, and as always, I'll see you next time. Goodbye!